very warm welcome and a thank you to everyone who's joined us here today to mark what I think is the historic return of regular rail services to Okehampton.
Really thrilled to welcome you to Okehampton for the official launch of the Dartmoor Line.
Marvellous to see the Dartmoor Line reinstated, and as we've heard, this is the first rail line to reopen under the government's Restoring Your Railway programme.
And I think it shows we have a Department for Transport who want to see communities reconnected with a thriving rail service. So I'm absolutely delighted, therefore, that the Right Honourable Grant Shapps, the Secretary of State for Transport, is here today. It shows how important the Dartmoor Line is, how important recovering and restoring rail services are, and I know you'll all join me in a very warm welcome and a sincere thank you for all that he's done to make this happen.
What a journey. What an unbelievable journey. Not just the few miles we came down this track, but the incredible story that you heard going back to 1871. There has never been a more proud moment in my 2.5 years in this job than pulling into this station just now to see this line reopen. As our council has just told us, ahead of budget by £10 million and ahead of time by, I think, 2 years. It's an incredible achievement. And I just want to say a huge thanks for the partnership that's been brought together. They're all on the board behind me. Network Rail, Great Western, Devon County Council, but then the people, Michael Island, Oak Rail, Bruce Thompson, and then the Friends of Okehampton Station, Dartmoor Association, including Sue and Tom Baxter, who I just got off the train with.